We are in Pattada today, and I would like to show you this wonderful house surrounded by green hills nearby Monte Acuto, Monte Lerno, in a wonderful area of Sardinia. And this house is on a 12,000 square meters land. The house itself is 200 square meters on 2 levels. And there is also some buildings like this one here, it's nearly 20 square meters. And there's another one on top of the hill because the land goes farther on top. And the other one is 40 square meters. There is a fireplace, and it was used as a house back in the days. Now needs some renovations, but you know, you have two dependencies. If you need to rent out or do a B&B, is up to you. You have a big family. That's a nice solution you might have right here handy. And the house has an external staircase and internal one. So if you want to split the house in two, you can do it right away. And on the other end of the house, there is the orchards and fruit trees and the chickens. Hi dog, hi cat. So let's go and see the garage, which is huge. I need to see the garage. Don't bite me, please. Thank you. So the garage itself is quite big, and they are also selling all the tools to keep the land clean. I hope you heard me because the dog was barking quite a bit. And here they keep the chicken on the side of the house. So you might have also fresh eggs if you keep the chickens, of course. They used to have wine, well, not now, almost in January. And here the rest of the land. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. And the gas tank. The gas tank it was used for heating the house. At the moment they use a pellet stove and a hydro-pellet stove to heat the house. Otherwise you may fix the heating system with the gas and keep using the gas. It's up to you. So let's go inside where everyone else is and let's see the house. Hi everyone. So they're enjoying the heat of the pellet stove right here. That's the ground floor, and the house is quite big, as I said, and you can tell how big it is. If you want to have, a kind of bed and breakfast or agriturismo, that's a wonderful solution. And here you have also the traditional oven. That's unique. Not many houses still have that kind of oven. Okay, from the kitchen on this side we have a storage room, and there's a lot of things inside. But it's a big one. Let's move to the other side of the house where a small service bathroom is right here. The staircase, the internal one, so we can go upstairs and see. Okay, the rest of the house. And the camera is not pointing straight. Okay, thank you. Upstairs, that's the living room with a balcony, air conditioning, air radiators that are heated by the pellet stove. I'll show you in a while. So, from the balcony, the view is quite nice. And you can also see the air conditioning system and the satellite antenna. Okay, let's go back inside. It's quite chilly. And okay, let's go in the dining room here. The big one, that's the one that heats up the radiators. Well, at the moment it's not on because the owner is living downstairs. And every room has a huge radiator, so you're going to heat up the house quite easily. And that's the other entrance. If you need to split the house into units, you can do it right away. Okay, so the external staircase, granite. The materials are high quality, so they're not slippery. If it rains, you're not going to die because you fell down from the stairs. And that's the small house they used to live back in the days, the one up on top of the hill, and the land goes very on top. You may see on the drone footage, I guess you. And here there's the kitchen. I almost forgot about the kitchen. So there are two kitchens in the house, one upstairs, this one, and the other one, the traditional one, downstairs. Yeah, so if you want to have 2 units, that's the best solution for you. You may live upstairs and your daughter or you rent out downstairs. That's a nice solution. Keep in mind, it's not easy to find a big house like this for this price. Let's go and see the bedrooms. And, well, the light, I should probably turn on the light here because it looks better with the lights on. And small bedroom with bathroom if you need it. And then we have a big bedroom here. That's the traditional Sardinian bedrooms. They used to be huge. You can fit, well, 2 queen size bed, and there is still room for a big wardrobe. Bathroom, quite big too. There's a lot of space here. Of course, radiators in everywhere. And that's the other air conditioning unit on top. And the other bedroom as well. This one is quite big. Oh, the view from the windows is on the hills. This is a nice view as well. It's the same one from the balcony, but the camera is focusing on the glass. Well, too bad. That was me in the mirror. And here we have the internal staircase. We just went through. There's a storage right there, and that's it. That's basically it. So if you need a big house in Sardinia and you're looking for something traditional, you may just come here and have your family and farm and rent out a couple of rooms, and you can live out of it. Just think about it. If you want to move to Sardinia, it's the right one.